Doing more preventative maintenance today. It's that time again to clean my intake air filter. Last time I did it was October 3rd, so it's almost been a year. And as you can see, it's pretty dirty. And remember, I do live in Arizona, so it gets dirty more often. So yeah, I already have a video of me going step by step on how to use this Spectre air filter cleaner kit. The thing I do like about it, again, is that on their website, you just put in your filter's part number, or you look at your oil filter part number, or air filter part number, and then you find on their website the amount of oil that you're supposed to spray, and then you, well, spray the amount on there. And I do like that system over what K&N does or doesn't do. They don't give you instructions like that, and that's why most of the people out there, they'll oversaturate their air intake filter, and then the oil will contaminate their MAF sensor, or not the mass airflow sensor, and then they'll have to either get a whole brand new one because it ruined it, or they'll just have to clean it and hope that it does work. But anyways, that's the video. Alright, so here's the after shot of me getting ready to go put the filter back on my car. I re-oiled it, and like I said before in the other video, that I do like that Spectre does put how much oil you have to spray on the new filter so you don't oversaturate it. And yeah, looks good. But that's the video.